Hello, model car fans. Welcome back to another episode of Scale Model Car Chief. I'm Steven. I build scale models of TV, movie cars, and other classics. So if you like my content, please consider liking and subscribing and sharing my channel. In this episode, we're going to be doing the 1969 Cadillac Coupe de Ville. And I asked the modeling community in my last video what they thought I should do with this kit. And my suggestion was cutting the top off or leaving it in place. So I'm not going to cut the top off. I'm going to leave it in place. I just couldn't bring myself to cutting the top off such a nice kit. Yeah, if it was damaged or was an old kit that needed help, I would do it. But I just couldn't bring myself to doing that. So here's my color choice. I'm going to go with aqua, and I'm going to use a new product that I haven't used before, the Mod Podge Clear Sealer and Gloss. I've had good luck with Mod Podge, putting in my window glass and different pieces on the model cars. So I figured they have a good product. I'll give it a try. I'm thinking about using cinnamon for my interior. I'm leaning towards the white, but I'm thinking about maybe cinnamon. And here's the inspiration for this build. Aqua Biscay Blue, a Cadillac color. I think it's very striking, and I just like it. I had some suggestions in my last video of black, and I do like the black. If I was going to do it, would be triple black. Black vinyl top, black interior, black exterior. But this aqua just really appeals to me. Nothing wrong with the black, but this is the route I'm going. I really love the color. I'm just not real keen on this finish I'm looking at. I looked at it off camera, but I'm just I don't know. I love the color. That's one thing I can say for sure, but there's a lot of orange peel, and I sprayed it pretty wet. Multiple coats, but I've got orange peel everywhere. Maybe when I put the clear on, that'll help out. You can see there in a light reflection. Just everywhere. I'm just not feeling it. Well, actually, I am feeling it. Feels like a piece of sandpaper. It's so rough. I don't know. I'm sure I can do something with it. I'll probably have to do some wet sanding and polishing. But, I'll have to figure what route I'm going to go with it. I'll go ahead and do a light wet sand, sand it down, and then put a coat of clear on it. I think that would be the best route. Let me know what you think. But I think that's the route I'll go. I'll just do a light wet sand with maybe some 2000 grit sandpaper, and then a couple coats of clear. I'm loving the color, just not loving the finish that I see right now. But in the model car community, when you have a plan, sometimes it doesn't go the way you think it should, and that's evident right here. Love the color. I just think it should be a whole lot smoother, at least for the color coat. But hopefully the gloss will take care of that. If not, I'll go to alternate plan B, as they say. I'm not sure what alternate plan B will be. Get it? B. Sound like I should be making honey instead of a model kit. But I'll figure something out with it. That's, again, the beauty of this hobby. I wonder if any of you others have had this problem with a paint. Okay, I ran into the paint disaster. I went ahead and gave it a bath, so Mean green, do your thing. I put the Mod Podge clear on and it crinkled up the paint. So while this is bathing and being stripped, I'm going to turn my attention to the 68 Bossman convertible. I love this car, and I was originally going to build it and change colors and use the coupe, the 69, to do Boss Hogg's car from the TV show, The Dukes of Hazzard. And I love old Boss Hogg. But the Bossman convertible, while not technically correct year-wise, is a great stand-in for that car. And seeing that Johan made the Bossman 68 convertible, this is perfect. Yeah, I just need to do some cleanup and some restoration of this dealer promo model. And that's the route I'm going to go. I'll have the 68 convertible Bossman / Boss Hogg. That's a lot of bosses. And I'll have the 69 coupe once it's stripped and I turn my attention back towards it. You gotta love these long Cadillacs. Great lines. It'll be a great tribute to my man Boss Hogg with his cigar. What a great lovable character from the classic TV show. Here's him in lovable Roscoe P. Coltrane. So I have a plan, and cheers to this build and overcoming my issues. This is Steven, the Scale Model Car Chief. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing to my channel, and we'll see you on the next video. Have a blessed day. Take care.